Welcome back, adventurers. Today we're hiking the Skyline Loop Trail, a must-do trail in Mount Rainier National Park that starts from the Paradise Visitor Center. You'll want to stick around for the glacier views, wildflowers, and the stunning stop at Panorama Point. I promise you, this will be worth the watch.
This is a loop. It is a hard loop, and it is an epic hike. So, aren't you excited? I know I am. Let's do this.
This loop is about 5.5 miles with a steady 1,700 feet of elevation gain. So be ready for a workout, but oh, is it worth it? In late summer, these meadows come alive with wildflowers. We're doing this hike mid-July.
This hike, as far as epic views go, wow. Definitely put it on your bucket list. We've hit some ice and snow on the trail already. We have our poles. I think that's sufficient for now. Whoa! You understand now why you must do this hike, right? Yeah, I knew you would after seeing that.
This is the spot, Panorama Point, offering unobstructed views of Rainier, the Nisqually Glacier, and even distant peaks like Mount Adams and Mount Hood. This hike had it all. We had animal sightings, wildflowers, waterfalls, snow, and to our surprise, we even found some solitude on the way down. This is a hike that I would come back and do every year. It was that lovely. And I feel like if you did this hike, it would change every season.
It's 9 a.m. and we're almost all the way down, and we're starting to see the line of parking at this time. Ooh, do come early. That's a long line.
We hope this video inspires you to hike the Skyline Loop. If you've done it before, drop a comment below. We'd love to hear about your favorite part. And don't forget to subscribe and like for more hiking adventures. Thank you for coming along with us. Until next time.